So in the latest political developments, amid the churn within the TMC, speculations over a possible Congress-TMC merger is gathering steam. Now, Congress MP Imran Masood has suggested that the two parties should come together, arguing that a merger may be the only way to prevent attempts to weaken and divide the opposition. Now, the buzz is intensified after reports claim that the merger talks figured in recent meeting between Sonia Gandhi and Mamata Banerjee in Delhi. However, Congress leader Jairam Ramesh has firmly rejected those reports, claiming that what transpired during Sonia-Mamata meeting are completely inaccurate as to what the buzz now seems to be suggesting. Because let's talk about that. If there is a controversial statement that has been made by a rebel Trinamool Congress MP, and that is coming in from Shatabdi Roy, who has now claimed that the Trinamool Congress may eventually have no option but to approach the Congress for survival, even suggesting that a merger could be on the table in the long run. Now, speaking on the political situation, she's come out to say that the TMC has no realistic option except to engage with the Congress, adding that the party would not align with the BJP under any circumstances, which is obvious, but also saying that the former West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee is going through a very difficult political phase and suggested that instead of others coming to her, she may have to now reach out to the other political parties herself. Now, these remarks have triggered a political debate, especially because they are coming amid the speculation about the opposition unity.
देखिए, अभी तृणमूल कांग्रेस के साथ जाने का बिना और कोई चारा है ही नहीं, मुझे लग रहा है। क्योंकि क्या ऑप्शन उनके पास है तो नहीं, बीजेपी के साथ तो नहीं जाएंगे। और क्या अभी तो दीदी ने बहुत सारे को इनवाइट कर रहे, लेकिन कोई आएगा ऐसा भी नहीं है, क्योंकि दीदी का भी टाइम खराब है, पोजीशन खराब है, तो कोई तो खुद नहीं आएगा, किसी के पास जाना पड़ेगा। और सेकेंडली सीपीएम का भी पता नहीं बम फ्रंट आएंगे कि नहीं साथ में, उनका भी टाइम थोड़ा अच्छा होने लग रहा है। वो सोच रहे जा भी क्यों जाओ, इतना दिन हम लोग को खत्म किया है तृणमूल, हम लोग क्यों, पता नहीं, लेकिन पॉलिटिक्स में सब कुछ होता है। नहीं, अभी मैं सुन रही थी, मैं अभी न्यूज में देख रही थी, कांग्रेस के साथ वाइस प्रेसिडेंट का ऑफर आया।
So let's connect with Sabyasachi on this. Sabyasachi, good morning. As far as for the TMC is concerned, post the elections, it has become now Mamata Banerjee's fight for existence, politically speaking. You know, a month ago, she was one of the tallest and the fiercest leaders who could take on the BJP alone, and today the situation has dramatically changed for her, where the MLAs and the MPs seems to be deserting her.
Well, that's right. See, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee was at the top contender to lead the India bloc even, and the Trinamool Congress was one of the strongest opposition parties in the parliament. But things have completely changed as far as Trinamool Congress is concerned. It's a complete collapse. Yesterday also, late in the night at the residence of Bhupender Yadav, Chief Minister Suvendu Adhikari met with some of the rebel MPs. Now, what we are learning that the rebel MPs have given their consent, have put their signature, and they want to form a separate bloc as far as the parliament is concerned. So big trouble for Mamata Banerjee in the coming days, and she has very limited option in front of her. She was in the national capital. She was part of the India bloc meeting also. She met Sonia Gandhi, and Abhishek Banerjee met Rahul Gandhi yesterday as well. So if the Trinamool Congress decides to merge with the Congress party under these circumstances, they can save the party from dividing. It can save from the anti-defection, and also naturally the party can grow. But there are a lot of cons as well as far as the merger is concerned, because the sentiment of the party workers then will go against the Trinamool Congress.
Yes, because how hard would we understand as far as the party karyakartas are concerned, because the very same Congress party was raising issues of corruption against the TMC during the political election campaign that was taking place, a few weeks ago. Thank you very much, Sabyasachi, for joining in. But speaking of the current situation, what the TMC has been going through, the political turbulence, however, shows no signs of any subsiding as of now, because in this latest setback, as far as Shushmita Dev is concerned, once also said to be the highest and the tallest leaders of the TMC, has decided to leave her membership of the Rajya Sabha as well. And that has also deepened the crisis further, fueling speculation over the next political move. So in an exclusive conversation with Times Group editor-in-chief Navika Kumar, Sushmita Dev has now opened up on the reasons behind her exit.
Joining me on Times Now today is Sushmita Dev, daughter of Santosh Mohan Dev, who I've known as a young reporter, and she's just resigned from the Rajya Sabha, from the Trinamool Congress as well. Thank you very much, Sushmita, for joining me on Times Now. Why did things come to such a pass is my question to you. What changed so quickly that you left the Congress for the Trinamool Congress 5 years ago, and today you've had to quit the TMC?
You see, when I joined the Trinamool Congress, they had a very ambitious national plan, which I took on with all sincerity. And as you know, that after 5 years in the Assam Assembly election, Trinamool Congress has secured one MLA seat. But what has unfolded since the 4th, it's not just about Bengal, because Navika, you know, you mentioned my father. My politics is primarily in Assam. And I felt that there were too many political reasons and some personal reasons, because of which I thought this was the best course of action for me. And needless to say that when you resign from the primary membership of the party, you should not hold on to the Rajya Sabha seat which our party gave you. I'm fully aware that because of my resignation, the All India Trinamool Congress may not be able to win this seat back in Rajya Sabha. But despite that, I felt the circumstances was such that this decision was important to me.
Well, Sushmita Dev, this list of 19 that even Kakoli Ghosh Dastidar, your ex-colleague, has spoken about includes herself, Jagdish Chandra Basunia, Khaliur Rahman, Yusuf Pathan, Tabu Tahir Khan, Partha Bhomik, Bappi Haldar, Sayoni Ghosh, Mala Roy, Mitali Beg, also Deepak Adhikari, Soren, June Malia, Arup Chakravarti. There, all the names are there. Are you saying you people as colleagues don't talk to each other? Are there no phones that have been invented for people within the Trinamool Congress?
I'll be very honest, the names you just read out to me, I don't know how many are there, I haven't been speaking to any of them. That's the honest truth. Because, you know, it's such a complicated situation. Yeah.
So why now? Why right after the elections?
Sorry,
and you're in the
something.
Rajya Sabha, you
Why
still
now?
have a term left. Why now?
See, when I have decided that I want to do a certain kind of politics from my state, I felt that in Trinamool, that would not be possible. I have been watching the course of events, not from now, but right from the 4th of May, the day of the results. On the same day that the Assam results came out. After that, there have been several meetings at the national level, several strategies, which I'm seeing on TV because I'm not party to those meetings. And given the entire situation, I thought it through. And I just thought that this is the best way forward for me. I mean, I don't have a perfect answer that can satisfy you, Navika, but those are my thoughts.
Do you think you can perform better without being member of a party, or do you think you need a party that can anchor you to deliver the best to your area, your state? So I come back to the question. How long are you a free bird, and when will you join the BJP? And Sushmita Dev, the country is watching. Please dil se boliye aur sach boliye.
Yeah. See, Navika, I have not denied the fact. I went in broad daylight after resigning for the party. I'm telling you the order. Then I went to the vice president, resigned from my Rajya Sabha post. And then in broad daylight, not in the dark of the night, I went in, met the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam. I'm even on record telling you that I had a discussion with him about my possible roadmap for me to work in Assam. I have not denied any of this. Now, unless I can say something with certainty, putting something on record on your show where the nation is watching, I don't think that time is today. I mean, you can call me a few days later, a few weeks later, whatever, and I'll come and tell you and answer all and many more questions that you're likely to have at that point of time.
Okay, so today I will just ask. Suddenly you decided to quit the Rajya Sabha because you felt the party did not seem to have a future in Assam. ऐसे suddenly नहीं होता है. You have been a politician's daughter, an ex-minister's
You're right.
daughter.
You're right. Suddenly नहीं होता है.
तो क्या बदला?
See, you're right कि these decisions can't be taken suddenly. But you know, everyone who's asking me the questions is totally focused on Bengal. But you have to understand that in the 2026 4th May result, two states, Assam and Bengal, gave a mandate. And incidentally or coincidentally, Bengal was the state where my former party was in power, and Assam is a state where I come from, and that's my karma bhumi, if you like. So it's a combination of things. At the end of the day, I'm very much, entitled to make a political analysis of the situation and take a call for myself. That's my right. Somebody may not like it, somebody may casticize me for it, somebody may judge me for it, but I have that right to take a decision. I have no shame in that.
Well,
Meanwhile, Mamata Banerjee's camp has dismissed the very threat of the rebel camp, saying that they have absolutely no problem if 19 or 20 MPs leave the party. Party leaders like Kalyan Banerjee say that it is now time for Mamata Banerjee to get fresh blood in the party. Now, that seems to be the situation because it is very important to note and very significant to note as to why number 19 is important for the TMC, as multiple leaders are expected to jump ship.
We are very happy. Let me tell you, we are very happy. These double character peoples have gone.
Good riddance of bad rubbish.
We need a fresh blood. Leader is Mamata Banerjee. Symbol, Trinamool symbol. We don't bother. We are very happy. 20 की वो उसका ज़्यादा भी हो जाएगा, कोई असुविधा नहीं है.
Well, good riddance statements coming in from the TMC leaders, loyalists of Mamata Banerjee. In the meantime, we head into a short break. The morning news continues.